Hey everybody, today I am going to review on the top 5 best drone under $100. Well, I have been working on a list for a few weeks now and I found a few drones that will be great for you. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 best drones under $100. Let's get started. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's take a look. And at number 5, the best drone is V4 4K RC drone. This drone comes with a 1080 pixels HD Wi-Fi camera that can be adjusted to capture superior aerial images and videos. With FPV you can view the sky through the sky via an app that is specifically designed for your smartphone. The camera drone is capable of performing 360-degree rolls and flips. Circles fly make flying more appealing. You can designate a precise flight route using the app map, providing you with spectacular flying experiences. The drone can be controlled by moving your phone upwards or downwards using a gravity sensor which allows it to track the direction of your phone. It is a great best drone toy gift for beginners. V4 has been designed to maximize user experience and has smart features. With smart return to home automated takeoff with precise hovering. The process is smoother and more secure than ever before. One key high-speed rotation will give you more enjoyment to fly. There are no limits to the sky your playground. Gesture control makes selfies simple. Just raise your hand or make it in a V shape, and drones will snap pictures and videos. Draw a path on your phone screen and the drone will follow the path you have set. The V4 drones are able to fold up into a compact design and can be tucked effortlessly into backpacks ideal for on trips. The drone comes with 2 battery modules which can last up in 35 minutes playing. 4 propeller guards completely protect the propellers and increase safety during flight. The drone can be controlled by using the built-in G sensor for altering the horizontal and vertical of the drone on your smartphone, without the remote controller. Control your drone with basic command words like takeoff, landing, left, right, forward or backward. And at number 4, the best drone is 4DRC V8 New Mini Drone. It has a smart control system. Gently toss 4D V8 to get it to start, using your hands to make the drone go up and down or side. Simply use the controller to have full range flying and change the speed at will. The pocket drone can be hand-operated or remote controlled. There are also 5 sensors to sense front, back, left, right and bottom. Throw to go, made it to auto-rotating, circle fly, and 3D flip by gesture control. It has come with 3 powerful batteries. You can have a 20 to 27 minute flight. Modular design and USB charging cable make charging safer and more convenient. This drone is equipped with an auto hover. It will take off and hover at a certain height with a short press of the 1-key takeoff button. The headless mode will help the pilots at any level fly and operate the drone easily. 3 speed modes for different pilots. All 4 propellers are fully covered with full protection guards. Altitude hold enables drones to auto hover. The drone can stay at its current height when the pilot's hands are off the controller. And at number 3, the best drone is XT6 4K Mini Drone. The drone comes with a high-definition, 4K, 1080 pixel front camera, and a bottom camera. The camera's angle is able to be set between 180 degrees and 90 degrees and you will be able to enjoy the stunning scenery in different directions. With the Wi-Fi feature, it is possible to use the drone's app and send the live FPV footage to your phone. The drone can fold to make it easy to transport, so you can easily take the RC drone on the next trip. The shell is made of top-quality ABS materials preventing the harm caused by a sudden drop or impact. The retractable propeller shield is small and light and will protect the propellers and enhance safety during flight. Just one button and the drone can take off or land and return in a matter of seconds. It also comes with an altitude hold to keep the drone at a specific level, and a stable flight makes it a good drone for those who are just beginning. Create a flight plan on the screen and the drone will fly on the path you have drawn. The drone is multifunctional up and down, forward and back, left or right turn and side flight and LED light headless mode. 1-button auto return with altitude hold mode 360-degree rolling, Wi-Fi FPV. 4 channels are available for upwards, downwards, forward backward directions, the right and left flights, and 360-degree roll. 6-axis gyroscope for smoother flight and comfortable control. LED lights make flying stunning, especially when it's dark. The drone comes with a 3.7-volt 500 mAh battery that is modular and simple to put in and take away batteries that last as long as 12 hours. You can select the number of batteries you have spare according to your requirements. This will give you an extended flight time. The drone offers an exclusive VR 3D experience. With the mobile app that comes with VR glasses, you will experience the thrill of flying from a different view. And at number 2, the best drone is NIU KY910 4K Mini Drone. The mini drone folds compact in size and lightweight to transport. With a built-in high-definition 4K camera. What's more surprising is that it is able to capture stunning videos and images from the air. With the use of altitude holding mode as well as 2.4 GHz anti-jamming technology. The flight will be stable. Make use of the one-key return feature to quickly find your direction home. Create a flight plan on the screen so that the drone is able to take off independently along the route you have specified. When the drone is headless, there's no requirement to alter the direction of the aircraft before it begins to fly. This drone has 4 strong channels, which can go up, down, forward, backward, fly left, fly right, and roll left and right. 6-axis gyroscope, the flight is more stable, and the control is more convenient. The gravity sensor mode enables the quadcopter to follow the direction you move your smartphone, making the flight more interesting. The headless mode function offers the convenience of not having to worry about which direction the drone is facing, making it great for beginners. With the button of one-key takeoff and landing, simple to control the drone. The headless mode and 360-degree flip come in handy even for drone newbies. It has a 4K high-definition front camera with a 30-degree electronically adjustable angle and a 1080-pixel bottom camera that can capture stunning sharp and vivid images with real color resolution. Everything your camera sees as you fly is displayed live. It has multiple functions such as up and down, forward and backward, turn left and right, speed control, GPS, one-key takeoff, landing and return, optical flow positioning, 4K front camera, 50x zoom, follow me mode, gesture video, and photo, waypoint flight and many more. The upgraded 3.7-volt, high-capacity lithium battery can provide up to 12 minutes of flight experience in good weather. And at number 1, the best drone is F10 4K RC drone. This drone comes with an HD real-time transmitting camera. F10 lets users enjoy the first-person view and view the stunning scene clearly and smoothly. This drone is able to provide smooth FPV video transmission with a range of 80 meters. It is possible to capture and record 1080-pixel HD aerial footage and then share it immediately via social media through the 4DRC app. There is a 5G Wi-Fi version of this quadcopter that comes with an 1800 mAh battery that gives 23 minutes of flight time. The charging time is about 150 minutes. But since the 2 batteries that your F10 drone package comes with can give you 32 minutes of flight time, there is really no need to get the third one. It's simple to use the F10 one-key start and landing or takeoff to begin or land. Altitude hold can help you enjoy a smooth flight. Speed switch helps you find the right speed to have a better flying experience. This quadcopter comes with a one-button 3D flip feature. A cool 3D stunt that delivers a fantastic video experience while the flight. Shake your phone to adjust the drone's direction of flight easily. You can draw a flight path in the app map, and the drone will maintain altitude and fly according to the flight path you choose, providing you with an unforgettable flying experience. This will allow you to have an amazing time with your friends and family. Using your phone, you can get the drone to fly whichever way you want by waving the phone. This makes it fun to fly the F10 without the remote controller, with your smartphone alone. This is a very important function for beginners. Once engaged, the aircraft holds its flight height, so you just need to worry about its horizontal flight. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. If you have any question, please write on the comment box.